Hey, everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Angela. I am a full time voiceover artist and audiobook narrator, and my channel is dedicated to those of you that are just getting started out in this wonderful world of voiceover and audiobook narration. And through my channel, I share with you some of the techniques that I use every day in my own voiceover business, and I also answer your questions to help you get started on the right foot. So today, I wanted to bring something to your attention if you didn't already know about it. And what we're going to talk about today is Fiverr and how to give yourself a little bit of a break as we come closer and closer to the holiday season. And really, for any time that you just want to take some time off. So that's what we're going to talk about today is how to manage that and still have your time off in today's video. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. Okay, so if you are a seller on Fiverr, not necessarily a voiceover artist, really, if you're any kind of seller on Fiverr, you eventually are going to want to take some time off, whether you're going on holiday for the weekend or you're like now, it's coming close to the holiday season. You got Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's but really if you want to just a weekend off, a week off, a month off, I'm going to show you how to do that in two different ways to effectively give you a little bit of a break, a little bit of breathing room if you need to. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to hop over to my Fiverr profile and I'm going to show you where to go in this first method, and that is the out of office button. And to access the out of office button, you want to click on your profile. So click on your profile picture, select profile. And once you're at your profile, you're going to come down to available and this set availability button. Just keep in mind that when you do set your availability as unavailable, your gigs will not be seen and you will not receive any orders during this time. I would use this only if you plan on being completely off the map for whatever period of time, for the weekend, or a week, a couple of months. You know what I mean? So if you select this way of doing it, or making yourself unavailable or less available, that you will completely be off the Fiverr map. You can select your unavailability from, a certain day to a certain day. And you can select one of the reasons here that they have pre-filled for you. Other, I'm overbooked, I'm going on vacation. But if you still want new clients to be able to reach out to you, you could still access your phone to respond to clients. Then click this button here to enable new buyers on Fiverr to contact me. But they will not be able to place an order, nor will repeat clients that have purchased from you before. There will be no orders placed on any of your gigs during this time. However, you still have the opportunity to either receive new messages from clients or not. So make sure that you click that if you want to still be able to talk to people, and then just hit save. The other way to go about this is just to extend the delivery date on your existing gigs. So let's just say that I want to go out of town for the weekend and I will be out of my studio, so I will be unable to fulfill any orders, but I will have my phone with me so I can still communicate with buyers on Fiverr, but I just can't get any work done. So instead of losing out on potential business by setting my availability as unavailable, I'm simply going to go into one of my gigs, or all of them, whichever ones are live, you should do this with, and extend the delivery time. So to demonstrate this, I'm just going to select one of my gigs. Let's do my e-learning gig. Okay, so once you're in your gig, hit your Edit Gig button. You want to go over to pricing. So here is your basic gig, right? 100 words, one revision, high quality format, $20. Each additional 100 words is $10. And up to $1,300 words in 2 days instead of 2 days, because I'm going to be gone for the weekend. And you do want to set this in enough time ahead that you don't receive any orders that are going to be due while you're gone. So make sure that you do this a few days, maybe a couple days before you decide to leave for the weekend. So let's say that I'm going to go on a trip on Saturday. I'll be out of the office on Saturday. So I want to do this for me. I'm going to do this on Thursday. So to cover me until I have returned to the studio on Monday, I'm going to say, okay, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, maybe even Monday. So I'm going to change this 2-day delivery period to now 5 days. And then I'm going to save that and then do the same with each one of my gigs, that are remaining live while I'm gone. That way, any orders are placed during the time that I'm gone, I will still have time to complete them when I return to the studio on Monday. And you can set this up to 14 days as a delivery period. But whichever option that you choose to do while you're out of the office, just make sure that you save your changes. If you don't save your changes and then go back in to make sure that all of your changes were saved, then you might be shooting yourself in the foot. So, those are just two ways that you can take a little bit of a break, spend some time with family over the holiday season, or just for the weekend or for the week, whatever the case may be. But just keep in mind that if you choose the unavailable out of office option, that you also do have the option of allowing new buyers to find you. You still will be able to communicate with buyers, but there will be no orders placed versus the other method where you're just extending out your delivery time. Then in theory, you should have some orders waiting for you when you return back to the studio. So I hope this helps you with the upcoming holiday season. And if you have any other questions about voiceover, Fiverr, Upwork, ACX, audiobooks, anything voiceover related, please leave them down below. If you liked this video and if you find it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I really appreciate that too. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.